No, we didn't test it a long time. No, we didn't test it. I didn't hear it. No, that was a long time ago.
Nick, you're a senior in high school.
Please, Dad.
Grow up, you little baby. I'm really getting sick and tired of this, Nick. I don't need this crap. And stop playing with your iPad like that. What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you doing walking around? What are you doing? You're just wasting energy.
No.
What are you doing?
I'm filming.
Filming what? There's nothing on there. Get out of here. Knock it off.
It's recommended to test.
It is not.
Test weekly.
I don't care. You're such a baby.
No.
Here, tested it.
Fire.
Dad. Dad.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Only if it's a fire you press that. Only if you burn toast you press that.
I didn't press anything. You're the one that's always trying to burn everything.
No, like you accident.
See, it's just fine.
Dad, in case you accidentally
It's fine.
burn toast
I
accidentally.
didn't burn anything. You never burn anything accidentally, Nick. You burn shit on purpose.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, on purpose. Jesus.